If you're looking for an affordable multi-gen home, that's exactly what we're gonna be touring today. This home still packs all the big features of the other multi-gens, like a private entrance, living suite, and kitchenette, but it comes in at well over $100,000 less than other multi-gen homes here on the Space Coast. Today, we're gonna be checking out this multi-gen Lakeside and covering pricing, where you can find multi-gen homes like this here on the Space Coast, and of course, how you can get the best incentives and promos available on new homes. Let's go. Wait. The whole reason you're here is because you wanted to see a multi-gen home. So meet me through this suite first. So this is the multi-gen entrance right here in the front of the Lakeside. So as you can see, you've got a full living suite here with a kitchenette, bedroom, and bathroom. Now, I'm gonna be referencing the floor plan that DR Horton provides throughout the video. So if you guys wanna copy this, you can follow along, go ahead and pause the video, and I've got it linked up down in the description. So this area that we're in right now is the sitting area on the floor plan for the multi-gen option. This is gonna come in at 12.8 by 10.1. Now, one of the things that I wanna make note of is there's actually two different configurations you can get this Lakeside in. You can get it as the 4-bedroom multi-gen, which is the one we're gonna be touring now, or you can get this as a traditional 5-bedroom home. So this multi-gen living area that we're in now would actually be a 5th bedroom, and you wouldn't have this door as a private entrance to the outside. So follow me this way. We'll kind of work through here. We'll talk a little bit more about what these homes feature and how this one's specifically laid out. So here is your bathroom for the multi-gen suite. It's gonna have a stand-up shower, single sink vanity, and a toilet. And then this is gonna be the 4th bedroom or the multi-gen bedroom. So this is gonna come in at 10.4 by 10.1. Now, one of the things that I wanna make note of is this home that we're touring right now is in Palm Bay and there's no HOA. I'm gonna give you more information on where else you can find this home, but the way that this one is finished, it's gonna come with carpet in all the bedrooms, but all the living spaces and wet areas are gonna have the Revwood plank flooring. And we'll talk a little bit more about some of the differences between the Palm Bay homes with no HOA and some of the multi-gens that are in communities. But first, let's go out and tour the rest of the house. All right, follow me this way. So as you exit the multi-gen suite, this is gonna bring you in right by the front door. So that's where we first came in the home when we stepped out. Now keep in mind, this is a model home, so it is staged a little bit differently. Typically, this is a full wall right here, and there's gonna be a doorway right here that enters the 2-car garage. But again, it's a model, so it's set up as a sales center. Now, let's come in here and let's talk about the kitchen a little bit and some of the features that you're gonna get. All the homes are gonna come with the white shaker cabinets. You are gonna get the quartz tops. One of the biggest differences between the Palm Bay homes with no HOA versus some of the community homes is gonna be your countertop thickness. These are the 2 centimeter. Some of the HOA neighborhoods are gonna have a 3, but you do have the single tub sink. This home is on well water. So if you buy a home with no HOA, there's a good probability it's gonna be on well, maybe septic. Some of the lots are available on city water, but the ones on well are gonna come with the reverse osmosis water treatment system. You're gonna get the stainless steel appliances. And again, we talked about white shaker cabinets. You know, if you're interested with something that has maybe crown molding, there are some of these homes in some communities that are gonna come with the crown molding on the cabinets. One of the things that I like that they've started doing in these homes now are the 5-panel smooth finish doors inside the home. They've also kind of moved to a flat stock modern trim, which I really like. So this area here is referenced as the living room on the floor plan. This is gonna come in at 18.5 by 12.10. And then you're gonna have the dining room right here off of the kitchen. And if you are new here, my name is Joey Guest with Team Row Local, and we help people just like you who are moving to Florida. So if you're thinking about making a move here or you're interested in new construction, definitely reach out. I've got our contact information right here. We'd love to connect with you and see how we can help. And of course, if you're thinking about buying new construction, make sure you reach out to us first, and we can give you some of the secrets on how to get some of the better deals that the builders don't necessarily tell you about. Now, let's finish the tour here. Let's go look at this suite of the home. Up in the middle of the home right here, you're gonna have your laundry room, and then you're also gonna have this suite right here where you're gonna have 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. Now this is gonna be bedroom 2 and 3 on the floor plan. These are both gonna come in at 12.8 by 10. And then your full bathroom right here is gonna have a single sink vanity, tub shower combo, and a toilet. Now over here in the back of the home, this is where we're gonna find the owner's suite. And we're gonna go in here, we're gonna look at the suite, but then we're gonna talk a little bit more about where on the Space Coast and even where other places on the East Coast where you can get multi-gen homes like this. If you've been searching for multi-gens, you know they're kind of hard to find unless you're looking in that custom or semi-custom product line. But if you're looking for a spec home with true multi-gen features, these are some of the first opportunities here on the Space Coast. So this bedroom is listed as bedroom 1 on the floor plan. This is gonna come in at 15.2 by 14. And of course, you've got your bathroom here, dual sink vanity, really big linen closet, walk-in shower, private water closet, and a huge walk-in closet. Now this multi-gen does come with a covered lanai. Now keep in mind, I mentioned earlier that this is the value multi-gen. And if you're looking for something that's a little bit bigger, there is a bigger brother to this house, which we're gonna go tour here in just a minute. So we'll talk more about that. But this Lakeside does come with a covered lanai. Now, as you notice, it's not the full length of the house. It's a 9-foot by 12-foot lanai area. But let's talk about pricing and why this is considered the value multi-gen. So you can get this home right here in Palm Bay with no HOA for under $400,000. So this Lakeside model, as I mentioned, is also offered as a 5-bedroom without the multi-gen suite. And the difference between the two in price is really only a $6,500 difference depending on where you're looking for this multi-gen. So right here in Palm Bay with no HOA, this home is ranging between $396 to $415. You can also find this home in Cypress Bay West if you're looking to be in part of a community. Those homes are gonna range between $389 to $395 right now. You've also got options for this down in Vero and Sebastian. For example, Venetian Grove has the Lakeside multi-gen between $409 to $420. And in Sebastian with no HOA, you can get this home for around $435,000. Now, one of the things that we need to talk about are the incentives and how to find the best deals. The first tip I will give you is the best deals on homes are always going to be homes that are move-in ready. So it's really important that you understand timeline. And of course, pricing, incentives, and inventory change all the time. So they may be different when you're watching this video. So make sure you reach out to us first so we can make sure that you have the most up-to-date information. Now, as far as incentives go, right now, DR Horton is offering $15,000 towards closing costs, which should cover all your closing costs. You can also get a 4.99 fixed rate 30-year loan for FHA, VA, and right now also conventional. And if you want something a little bit more aggressive, they are offering a 3.875 adjustable rate mortgage. Now, it's important that you understand with adjustable rate mortgages that rate will adjust every year. Now, the product that they are offering does have fixed increments that it will adjust, but it's important that you not only understand what your payment is going to be today, but what it's going to be in 5 years and make sure that it's the right fit for you. Now, if you're curious what the Lakeside's big brother looks like, the bigger multi-gen, we're actually gonna go take a look at that right now, and you can join us for that right here. I'll see you there.